What is the fastest and most powerful JDM car ever made? And we're gonna tell you the top 5, and we're gonna end with number 1 and talk about drama, because I know you guys are gonna light up the comment section. So let's kick it off. But coming at number 5, are you ready? It is the Nissan Fairlady Z, and I'm not talking about the older one because these cars go all the way back. I am talking about the 2023 and above, and this is their specs. The Nissan Fairlady Z, the RZ34, has 400 horsepower, 350 foot-pounds of torque, weighs 3,486 pounds, and its 0 to 60 is 4.3 seconds, quarter mile is 12.6 seconds, and top speed is 155 miles per hour. And number 4 is kind of fun because it has less horsepower, but it's faster. So it is the Toyota Supra, the new one, the Mark V, and it has 382 horsepower, 368 foot-pounds of torque, weighs 3,400 pounds, and its 0 to 60 is 3.9 seconds, and its quarter mile is 12.1 seconds, and its top speed is anywhere from 155 to 174. I'm not sure why that varies, but when we compare those two, the 0 to 60 is definitely different. We're looking at 4 seconds, 3.9 versus 4.3. Of course, the Supra has less horsepower, 382 versus 400, but it has more torque, has about 18 foot-pounds of torque, and it is 86 pounds lighter. And at the end of the day, the quarter mile is 12.1 versus 12.6. And number 3 is the Lexus LF8, the legendary V10 car, and it has 552 horsepower and 354 foot-pounds of torque. It weighs 3,527 pounds. Its 0 to 60 is 3.6 seconds. Its quarter mile is 11.6 seconds, and its top speed is 202 miles per hour, and it's very expensive. All right, number 1 and 2 is going to be the part that is going to get everyone upset, because it is literally between the NC1 NSX and the R35 GTR. The numbers are crazy, so guys, pay attention here, because this is where you guys can make your choice, and then I'm gonna show you something that really kind of squashes the debate. All right, number 2, I know, is the Nissan GTR. Its horsepower is 565 horsepower. Its torque is 467 foot-pounds of torque. Its weight is 3,933 pounds. Its 0 to 60 is 2.9 seconds to 3.1 seconds. It's very important that you listen to this part, because this is where all the drama comes into. And then the quarter mile is anywhere from 10.8 seconds to 11.2 seconds. And its top speed is 196 miles per hour. Now, the NSX coming in number 1, and I have proof of why it's number 1, is that the horsepower is 573 horsepower. Its torque is 476 foot-pounds of torque. Its weight is 3,878 pounds. Its 0 to 60 is 3 seconds. Its quarter mile is 11.1 seconds to 11.3 seconds, and its top speed is 191 miles per hour. Now, when we compare the horsepower, the NSX has more horsepower. It's not a lot, we're talking about 8 more horsepower. As far as torque, the NSX has more torque, and we're not talking about a lot, we're talking about 9 foot-pounds of torque, but still, on both sides more. And as far as the weight, the NSX weighs less, and it weighs, I would say, about 50 to 60 pounds less. But its 0 to 60 time is the one that's debated. Some people, journalisms and magazines and testers put the NSX, somewhere between 2.9, 3 seconds, and then the GTR is 2.9, 3 seconds. And then the quarter mile, again, they put it between 11 seconds for the NC1 and 10.8 seconds for the GTR. And of course, the top speed, where this is one of those numbers you can't really fudge, is where the GTR wins. It's 196 miles per hour versus 191. So a lot of debate, which is quicker, but somebody fixed it for us. On YouTube, this video has 4.2 million views, so this is the standard where they race an NSX versus the GTR, and the NSX wins. And I mean, at the end of the day, when you put in NSX versus GTR, that's the video that pulls up. The NSX wins, and really, what other proof do you need? Now, of course, at the end of the day, it depends on the temperature, the tires, how big you are, how good of a launch you get, how good of a driver you are. These cars are so evenly matched that you can literally go back and forth. But at the end of the day, since I have an NC1, I put it as number one.